Lumilayer Primer Fresh. We are going to do like a fall makeup look, so I want to just put some primer just to prime my face. Right now my skin is breaking out. I think it's because when I went to New York, I didn't remove my makeup when I was supposed to. This is the Peripera ink cushion. It comes with its own puff, but I don't use that one. Today is just one of those lazy days where I'm kind of lazy to do anything, but I'm excited to do my makeup because I haven't done like a proper fall makeup look yet, and it's already November, and it's weird because fall is one of my favorite seasons. I'm going to use my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla. I'm going to try to cover this part up, but it's kind of useless because this never gets covered up. And after New York, my dark circles are on a different level. Anyway though, what was I trying to... oh yeah, that's why I'm very excited for this fall makeup look or something. I think that's what I was trying to say. I'm talking about one thing and then I just don't even finish what I'm saying and I go on to like a different topic. I don't do that like intentionally. Like I don't really notice myself doing that. I just do it without really thinking about it. So I think that's what I was doing right now. This is the Milani Baked Bronzer. I think people right now are going around the neighborhood and they're just like ringing doorbells. I don't like answering the door when I'm home alone, so I try not to open the door. I mean, maybe that's rude, but just when I'm home alone, I don't like opening the door when I'm by myself. This is the Morphe M330 brush, and I use this to contour my nose. What's that sound? We're going to use the Eglips number 10 Almond Bronze. I put on so much blush. That's my favorite part. This is the Colourpop in Wisp. I'm just gonna use my fingers for this. Some highlight onto the nose. I remember I talked about this in my favorites, and this highlighter is so pretty. Maybe I did too much. We're gonna go in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This is the Etude House Look at My Eyes BR407, but I need this to do my makeup. That is such a pretty shade. If you watched my vlog, you guys probably saw me get this at Best Friend Beauty in New York. It was honestly like one of my favorite Korean makeup stores because we have a few in California, but a lot of them are overpriced. When I went to Best Friend Beauty, they had this for $5. This one is the Etude House Look in My Eyes Cafe BR408. I don't really do much brown eyeshadow looks. I feel like I always did like red or pink, like burgundy. But these days I'm really liking like the brown eyeshadow looks. This is the Look in My Eyes Jewel OR204 Hawaiian Sand Beach. This is the TonyMoly Gel Eyeliner, and this is in Latte Brown. I don't know if you guys also could tell, but you know how my room is looking a little bit different? Or where I'm filming right now is a little bit different. I obviously can't multitask. I decided to redecorate and reorganize this whole room so that I could have this as like a filming area. This is my Heroine Make mascara. I don't know why, but each time I do like my mascara or my eyeliner, I can't really talk while I'm doing my makeup. I need to get a new memory card. I think there's something wrong. But I put on my eyelashes and then there was a memory card error. So I just took them off and I have to do it again. Hopefully the memory card doesn't do anything. That was easy. I have a vein under my nose and you can see it very well right now. I covered it up, but it's still there, so we're going to cover that up because it's bothering me. This is the Mimi No. 7 Pink Bomber. Can you see? This is the Glossier Lip Gloss.